I'm Dina Andriotti. I'm a family physician, and I've been here at Healtheast Vadnais Heights for approximately 2 years. I came from teaching in a residency program at another location, and I chose Healtheast because it is focused on primary care. Initially, when I joined, our specialist, we had no specialist. It was family practice, pediatricians, and internal medicine. They focus on primary care, prevention of medicine, taking care of the patient rather than let's treat disease. So that's the philosophy of Healtheast and why I was interested in it. The other thing I liked about Healtheast is at each level, starting from clinic all the way up to the top, you have a business and you have a doctor. There's a doctor at each level who understands seeing patients, understands patient care, and I feel as physicians will be better represented. The very interesting thing about our clinic is, we're not all cookie cutter the same. We have a very good mix that complements each other. But, the important thing is we all feel comfortable when we're gone that our patients are going to be taken care of. I think the core things that we're looking for is commitment to the patients, responsibility, a sense of ownership. Hey, this is my day to follow up on labs. No matter what is going to happen. One of my partners was gone and I got called with this abnormal result. Never seen this patient before, managed to get them admitted, and I got a wonderful note from them saying, thank you, you saved her life. So knowing that everyone is dedicated to patient care and to follow up. We all have different hobbies and our personalities are different, but I think the core ethics are the same. The respect I feel from my coworkers, from the leadership, the support we're given makes me very happy to be here and planning to stay. The other thing that I really like is in the past I've had leadership positions, and again looking for my work-life balance, I haven't done that. But I know when I'm ready, the opportunity is there. This organization mentors and develops leadership like none other I've been in, and they are really supportive of that and giving people opportunities.